Greetings everyone. I trust you're enjoying a wonderful day. Today we're back with another video. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through creating an alternative app store for your iOS device. Many Apple users seek alternatives to the official App Store due to its limitations. Recognizing this need, we've curated a list of the best alternative app stores for iOS users to enhance their app experience. Let's get started. Head over to the website Silicon Hub to access alternative app stores. Click on the IPA installer for signed apps and wait for the page to load. Then, run the provided shortcut. Within the shortcut, find and copy the link to the IPA file you wish to install. For example, let's say we want to download the ppsspp IPA file. Ensure you're downloading the IPA files and paste the link into the shortcut. Follow the instructions in the video closely and click Install after pasting the link. Our thesis statement revolves around exploring alternative app stores, which can offer iOS users greater flexibility, variety, and accessibility compared to the official App Store. These app stores provide a unique app experience tailored to users' needs, overcoming the limitations of the official store. Once the download is successful, navigate to your home screen menu to access the downloaded files. It's crucial to join the Apple P12 Telegram group to install signed apps. After joining the group, locate the download link for the signed app, click to install, and download it. This enables you to directly install signed apps on your device's home screen. To use the signed apps with the alternative app store, you'll need to import the certificate first. Follow the instructions provided in the video to import the certificate using iNapps. For detailed guidance, refer to the video linked in the description. I hope this tutorial resolves your issues with alternative app stores. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content. Until next time.